Hey everyone! In today's video, I'll walk you through how to safely back up your iPhone, restore it to factory settings, and recover your data afterward. Whether you're preparing to sell your phone, fix software issues, or just want a fresh start, this guide will help you do it step by step without losing anything important. Let's begin. Before anything else, you need to back up your data. This is crucial because performing a factory reset will erase everything on your device. Your photos, messages, apps, settings, everything. You can use either iCloud or iTunes. To back up your iPhone, let's start with iCloud. Make sure your iPhone is connected to a strong Wi-Fi network. Open the Settings app. Tap your Apple ID at the top. Go to iCloud, then select iCloud Backup. Tap Backup now. Keep your phone charged. And wait for the backup to finish. Don't skip this step. It's your safety net now. If you prefer to back up with a computer, use iTunes. Connect your iPhone to the computer using your original data cable. Open iTunes and click the small phone icon in the upper left corner. On the summary page, click Backup Now. Again, don't disconnect your iPhone until the backup is complete. Now that your data is safe, let's move on to restoring your iPhone to factory settings. Start by opening the Settings app. If you can't find it, swipe down on the home screen and search for Settings. Once inside, scroll down and tap General, then scroll to the bottom and tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. If your phone is running an older version of iOS, it might just say Reset.Now. Tap Erase all content and settings. A warning will pop up explaining that this will delete all your personal data and reset the phone. Tap Continue. If Find My iPhone is enabled, you'll be asked to enter your Apple ID password to confirm the reset. This prevents someone else from wiping your device without your permission. After that, your iPhone will restart and begin the reset process. You'll see the Apple logo and a progress bar. This can take a while, so don't interrupt it. Your device connected to power if the battery is low? Once it's done, your iPhone will reboot and show the setup screen. Now it's time to restore your backup. When you reach the Apps and Data screen, choose the backup method you used earlier. If you used iCloud, sign into your Apple ID and select the most recent backup. If you used iTunes, connect your iPhone to your computer and restore the backup through iTunes. Follow the on-screen instructions and wait for your data to be restored. After a few minutes, your phone will be back to how it was, only cleaner and faster, and that's it. You've now safely reset your iPhone and restored your important data. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like. Leave a comment if you have questions, and subscribe for more iPhone tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.